So hey guys, welcome to this new video. This video is completely based on my previous video of telekinesis training tutorial in Hindi. I am making this video for you guys because I got too many requests to create this video in English. So here it is. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. As you all know, telekinesis is the power of our mind that makes us able to move or manipulate any object just using our mind power. According to science, it is not proved yet, but there are many such people who can do this. If you want to be in the list of those people, watch video till end and remember that the information given in this video is based on my experience of many years. So let's move to step 1. Step 1. False belief. Just imagine you are owner of a company. You have too many workers working for you, but what if you don't have any trust on your employees? Just imagine, will your company run anymore? And the answer is no. It's just same in our brain. If you can believe it, it's real for you and you can absolutely do it. So that's the very first step to sincerely believe that telekinesis is absolutely possible. It's the very important step because without belief you can't learn it. Step 2. Meditation. Many of you take it lightly and think that it's not really important. But trust me, you can't use any of the psychokinetic power without meditation. Not just for powers, but meditation is very powerful thing that can absolutely change your life. When you meditate, you just increase your self-awareness, your concentration, and your brain become very calm and silent. You become very powerful entity when your mind is absolutely calm and silent. Step 3. Visualization. In this step, you have to take a small and light object and concentrate on it. Observe each and every detail of the object as much as possible. Observe its shape, its smell, its taste, its sound, its movement. If you can't feel something, then create it in your mind. Visualize as you can taste it and feel it. Connect with the object as much as possible. Just think like it's your permanent body part and you can manipulate with it very easily as you do with your own hands. Step 4. Concentrate on a small object. As I said earlier, you must try this on a very small object for the first time or until you become expert. Just take a small object like matchstick or feather, sit in front of it, meditate for some time and try to see the object with your mind's eye. Step 5. Focus on connection. Once you learn how to control your thoughts and how to visualize, then this step is super important. So now, in this step, you have to concentrate on the energy by which you and your outer environment is connected. Just divert your energy towards the object and create a link between you and that specific object. After that, follow the next step. Step 6. Clear visualization. It may be happen with you that whenever you try to move the object, you confuse it to move right or left. You don't get sure for where to move it. This is a very big mistake. But wait, I already made a video on mistakes done by beginners while practicing for telekinesis. You can check it out in the I button or in the description or in the end screens. Just click on it and watch it after this video. So you must be specific where to move the object. Whether you want it to move to right or left or wherever you want. Step 7. Focus your intention on object. You must focus your entire intention on the object. Just order it as you do with your body parts. Remember that object is nothing more than your body parts. Step 8. Patience. In your entire journey of learning telekinesis, you will face a problem that you will get discouraged due to not getting much success. This is a common problem, but remember, the person who can stay on painful track will always win. So just keep patience and practice it every day and you will absolutely get results. It can take up to 1 month, 1 year or more or less than it. So don't lose your patience. I am gonna create much more videos in English also. Next video in English will be on exercises of telekinesis. So make sure to subscribe the channel, set the bell icon on all to never miss a new video. Also follow me on Instagram and like and share this video. So I will meet you in upcoming videos. Till then, Take care and goodbye.